Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of two popular web hosting providers, Hostgator and TMDHosting. While both have their merits, in this video I'm going to show you why TMDHosting stands out as the superior choice for your website's needs. Let's start with Hostgator. Hostgator is a well-known name in the hosting world and offers a range of plans that cater to beginners and small businesses. They provide user-friendly cPanel management, unmetered bandwidth, and 24/7 customer support. However, when it comes to overall performance, speed, and reliability, there are a few limitations that might affect your website's efficiency during peak times. Now let's talk about TMDHosting. TMDHosting takes web hosting to the next level with its high-speed performance and robust infrastructure. Their servers are optimized for lightning-fast load times, ensuring that your website delivers an exceptional user experience. TMDHosting offers a variety of hosting options, from shared hosting to VPS and dedicated servers, so you can scale your website seamlessly as your traffic grows. Use promo code MICA7 at checkout to get 7% off TMDHosting products. One of the standout features of TMDHosting is its impressive uptime. With a proven track record of maintaining 99% uptime, you can be confident that your website will remain accessible to your visitors around the clock. Additionally, TMDHosting's state-of-the-art security measures, including daily backups and advanced malware scanning, provide a secure environment for your online presence. Customer support is another area where TMDHosting truly shines. Their 24/7 support team is available via live chat, phone, and email, ensuring that any issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. This level of dedicated support is essential for both new website owners and experienced professionals who need immediate assistance. Not to mention, TMDHosting's user-friendly control panel makes managing your website a breeze, even if you're not particularly tech-savvy. The platform's intuitive interface allows for easy installation of popular applications like WordPress, so you can focus on growing your business rather than worrying about technical details. Before I wrap up, I have some great news. For a limited time, you can get 7% off on all TMDHosting products using the coupon code MICA7. Simply visit the link in the video description and apply the code at checkout to secure your discount. In conclusion, while Hostgator is a solid option for many, TMDHosting offers superior performance, reliability, and customer support, making it the ideal choice for anyone serious about their online presence.